Welcome to this demonstration video on the New South Wales Online Registry. This demonstration will step you through the online process on filing a court attendance notice. This demonstration is for users wanting to file on behalf of a Commonwealth government department or agency. There is a separate video on filing court attendance notices for a New South Wales government department or agency. A court attendance notice, or CAN, may be completed by a public officer, which includes authorized representatives of New South Wales and federal government agencies and authorities. The notice can be filed in relation to a corporation or an individual who is 18 years or older. Before you begin to file CANs online, please make sure that you have created an online registry account. If you are a self-represented litigant, you do not have authority to file CANs online. To file CANs online, you may need to be a member of an online registry e-organization. An e-organization replicates your business structure online so that staff can share access to cases or file forms on behalf of others. You can also file CANs online if you are a solicitor or their delegate with a frequent user ID associated with a prosecuting body. A frequent user ID, or FUI, is a unique identifier that is used to process your CAN with the correct contact and fee details. A FUI must be entered to submit a CAN. If you are unsure about registration, setting up an e-organization, or you are not familiar with the correct FUI to use, please contact the New South Wales Online Registry Support.
A homepage.
Once you are ready to complete the CAN, you will need to log in to your online registry account. Then click Start or Defend a Case.
The user clicks it.
Click Court Attendance Notice. Select the registry location.
Burwood on a drop-down list.
Select if the CAN relates to a state or Commonwealth matter. This demonstration will show the process for filing multiple offenses on behalf of a Commonwealth government department or agency. If you are not filing a Commonwealth matter, please view the video on filing court attendance notices for a New South Wales government department or agency. Select if there is more than one offense associated with this CAN. If there is more than one, you will need to attach a completed CAN form and upload it as a PDF at the end of the online submission process. Then select an agreed listing date as arranged by the registry location. If you have not already arranged regular listing dates for CANs, please contact the relevant registry.
A date is selected from the calendar.
If you selected that there was only one offense associated with this CAN, you will have two filing options available. You can complete the answers in the online form, or you can attach a completed CAN as a PDF. If you selected more than one offense, you will not have the option to complete all of the answers online and will need to attach a completed CAN as a PDF at the end of the form. For this demonstration, we selected more than one offense, therefore we will be attaching a completed form at the end of the process. Click the Next button to continue.
Prosecutor details.
Enter the name of the prosecutor.
Example user James Newport.
If you frequently file forms or deal with multiple forms and cases, you may wish to enter your own reference code. You can use this code to search for the form later on. Select how you would like to enter the applicant's details. A frequent user ID, or FUI, must be entered to submit a CAN. Depending on your account type, you may have the FUI pre-populated for you, you may have a list with multiple FUIs available, or you may need to manually enter the FUI details. In any of the mentioned circumstances, please make sure you are selecting or entering the correct FUI associated with filing CANs online. When entering the details manually, make sure you enter them exactly as they were provided from the online registry support. The details you enter must be an exact match, including the correct upper and lowercase letters. If you are unsure of the correct FUI to use, please contact the New South Wales Online Registry Support.
The example user types in the FUI details, then the organization name.
Enter or select the CAN issue date.
A date is selected from the calendar.
Then click Next.
Authorized officer.
The authorized officer details are displayed based on the logged-in user. Some user types will have the ability to enter different contact details. Click Next to continue.
Defendants.
Enter the details for Defendant 1. The defendant can either be an individual or an organization. The selection you make will determine the contact fields displayed.
The user selects Individual and enters the name Joe Smith.
Enter the defendant's date of birth by selecting the calendar icon and using the pop-up window to select the date, or type the date as 2 digits for the day, /2 digits for the month, /4 digits for the year.
The user enters 04/05/1970 and chooses the male gender. They enter a street number of 55, a street name of George, and select the street type from a drop-down list. They enter a postcode of 2000 and select the suburb of Sydney from a drop-down list.
Once the details are entered, click the Next button.
Offence details.
The offense details screen displays. You will need to enter the offense details, including the date of offense, location, and law code. The date of offense can be entered as an exact date and time or a range of dates.
A date is selected from the calendar.
When entering the time, make sure you enter it as 2 digits for the hour, 2 digits for the minutes, space AM or PM.
10 o'clock a.m. The place of offence is entered as Burwood, Sydney, then the law code is entered.
If we had selected to complete the answers online, an additional field would be displayed where you can enter the details of the offense. In that case, clicking the Next button would complete the form and display the form's awaiting payment screen. Since we selected to attach the completed CAN as a PDF, we do not see this field, and when we click Next, we will be directed to the Attach the Signed Form screen. Click Next. The Attach the Signed Form screen displays. Click the Attach button to browse for the completed CAN form.
The user clicks Browse, then selects a PDF from their documents and clicks Attach.
Once the form is attached, click the Next button. The form's awaiting payment screen displays. Select the form, then click Next to complete the payment process. Once the payment has been completed, the confirmation screen displays with your receipt. You will also receive an email confirming that the CAN has been filed. The email will contain a copy of the CAN and your invoice for the payment. Thank you for taking the time to view this demonstration. We hope that it has helped guide you through this online form. More forms will be made available over time. Please keep an eye on the New South Wales Online Registry homepage for the latest updates.
onlineregistry.lawlink.nsw.gov.au